2001 Citation CJ2, serial number 525A0019, is offered exclusively by Soljets. The CJ2 is an aircraft that climbs more quickly, cruises faster, and ranges further than its predecessor CJs with better fuel economics. The CJ2 also delivers enhanced passenger and pilot comfort as well as the 3-screen Collins Proline 21 flight deck. It can take off and land on shorter runways, even in high and hot conditions. This aircraft offers an immaculate interior in like-new condition. The cabin features a forward refreshment center, followed by a mid-cabin 4-place club arrangement and 2 forward-facing aft chairs, all completed in luxurious light-colored leather. The coordinated neutral carpeting, high-gloss, medium-colored cabinetry, and polished gold-colored plating complete the luxurious interior. Citation CJ2 from Cessna, serial number 525A0019, presented by Soljets. Freedom, adventure, delivered.